Hello, friends. Today we're making a sophisticated and visually stunning cocktail called the Devil Margarita. This drink combines the tangy freshness of lime, the bold flavor of tequila, and the elegance of a red wine layer on top. It's perfect for a special night or a fancy gathering. Plus, I'll show you how to spice it up with a fiery twist. Stay with me until the end for the full recipe. For a Devil Margarita, you'll need 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters, tequila 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, freshly squeezed lime juice, 0.5 ounces, 15 milliliters, simple syrup 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, dry red wine, like Malbec or Cabernet Sauvignon, ice cubes, salt or sugar for rimming the glass. For the spicy version, 1 slice of jalapeno or a pinch of chili powder. This drink is a showstopper for parties or a special evening. Make sure to have all your ingredients ready and let's create something magical together. Let's start by prepping the glass. Wet the rim of the glass with a lime wedge. Dip the rim into salt or sugar. For the spicy version, use chili salt or a mix of sugar and chili powder. This gives the drink a polished look and adds an extra layer of flavor. Now onto the main part. In a shaker, combine tequila, lime juice, and simple syrup. For the spicy version, add a slice of jalapeno or a pinch of chili powder. Add some ice and shake it well. This step is crucial to ensure the ingredients are perfectly mixed and chilled. Strain the mixture into the prepared glass. Now comes the highlight of the Devil Margarita, the red wine layer. Using the back of a spoon, slowly pour the red wine over the surface of the drink. This technique helps the wine float and creates a beautiful two-tone effect. For those who love a bit of heat, the spicy Devil Margarita is a must-try. The jalapeno or chili powder adds a gentle warmth that complements the tangy and sweet flavors. You can also garnish the glass with a jalapeno slice for an extra kick. This cocktail is a visual masterpiece. The bright yellow base from the tequila and lime contrasts beautifully with the rich red wine layer on top. Classic flavor. The classic Devil Margarita is a balanced blend of tangy lime, sweet syrup, and the bold depth of red wine. It's sophisticated and refreshing. Spicy flavor. The spicy version takes it up a notch, adding a subtle heat that pairs wonderfully with the tangy sweet profile of the drink. It's a game changer for spice lovers. All right, friends, that's it for the Devil Margarita and its spicy twist. If you're looking for a drink that's unique and memorable, give this a try and let us know in the comments which version you prefer, classic or spicy. Your health and safety mean the world to us. If you're enjoying alcoholic beverages, please never drink and drive. Safety first, then savor the moment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming content. Take care and cheers to your next amazing drink. See you next time.